Hello, Jeremy from Rhodeswood in Harrogate in the United Kingdom. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you've ever got a pull in silk, you sometimes get a thread missing, it's got caught, fingernails or sharp draw or something like that. There is a trick that you can use. It doesn't work every time, but rather than having a silk garment with a pull, it's worth a try. So stretch it out flat, and if you can see in here, this is just what's called a blanket to choose ties from. You can see some pulls. And what you should do is with the back of your thumbnail, you lay that out taut and flat, and just run your thumbnail over it. That's not been too successful, has it? So sometimes it will disappear before your eyes. This is quite a stubborn one, but it's still a lot better than it was. Unfortunately, when I was trialing this, there was one and I did it, it's disappeared completely. I can't even find it. It's very slight pull as well. It's sometimes better when it's in a longer piece. And I found another pull here on this silk blanket. You can see it just here. So again, we'll get the back of our thumbnail, pull the silk taut, and just rub that down a piece of silk, and that, to my eye, is pretty much gone. So sometimes it works like that, and sometimes you get 80%, but I would be happy with that. So in actual fact, this will look a lot worse on camera because it's more critical, but to the naked eye, virtually gone. And I'd be happy to wear that if it was a tie. It's a silk blanket, so defeats that object anyway. But worth a try if you have a pull in your silk, and also a shot of steam afterwards, just to revive the fibres would be a good idea.